Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video from me. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you for all the love you shower me. Thank you for the views. Thank you for the like. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. And for those that are joining me for the first time, welcome on board. Today I'll be trying out a protective style with kinky hair. The kinky hair I was trying to get, I couldn't find it. I tried, I searched, I couldn't find it, but it's available on Amazon but not on Amazon UK. I don't know why. So I'll be making do with another kinky that I found. I hope it gives me the same result. So this is the kinky that I'll be using. This is the pack. I already brought out the kinky from the pack, and this is how the kinky looks like. So I just need to first put my hair in a bun, and then I'll start this process. Now, putting my hair in a bun is usually a struggle for me. I don't know, it always doesn't work out, but I'm going to try it this time around. I have a lot of new growth now, so I won't be combing my hair out fully. I'll just be combing the roots to cover the part, and that's all I'll be doing. This is a struggle. I hope my hair stays in the middle. This is fine. This is okay. I'm not trying to stress myself too much with this. I've tried, and I think my hair is to the middle. And the bun is not tight because I really don't want to injure myself. So I think I added too much oil on my hair. Now you don't have to divide your hair into three to twist it. I'm going to tuck the hair away. It's not the hairstyle for the day. I'm just doing it to protect the strands of my hair. I'm not going to use gel for this hairstyle because I really don't want to add gel to my hair. I'll just be doing, my thing. I'm just going to take the kinky, put my hands in the middle of the kinky. Then I'm going to use this rubber band. Now I'm using a rubber band because it can stretch to whatever extent I want it to stretch to. Normally I would use the band I used to pack my hair, but this is the only thing I can get that would stretch that long. I know a lot of people will disagree. Please, if you don't know how to use rubber band on your hair, please try something easier, something that would not cause breakage to your hair. And if you are going to also use rubber band, just like I'm doing, Please try to be extra careful. Just show you what I did again. So I took the rubber band, put it through this way, then I looped it as took one through the other to the middle. This is what I have. So I'm just going to be cutting the rubber band, holding the hair together. I'm just going to fluff the hair to mix it together so it doesn't show the line of demarcation or anything like that. Take this, put it through my hair once, and I'm going to try to use bobby pins to hold it down, and then I'll keep styling the hair till I get what I want. This is the bobby pin I'm using. Okay, so let me turn to the back and show you guys how the back looks. I hope the back looks as good as the front. This is how the back looks. And that's why I did not apply gel to, my hair. So it just gives this, I'm that kinky girl. Let me take it away from this camera mode and just show you guys. So this is exactly how it looks. Looks like the texture of my hair, right? Yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to try to insert some pictures in this video to show you guys how it looks like after I've done my makeup, after I've done everything. But let's look at this. Me said don't get kinky. I just went ahead off the camera to cut some parts away. If I want to make it longer, I could just fluff it more. If I want it to be fuller, I just fluff it more, and then I'll get the, look at this. I'll just get what I want. But I think I prefer this. I don't want it too messy because I'm going to the office tomorrow and I don't want my boss looking at me like, why did you bring your hair to work? But just giving that kinky vibe, that's what I want. That's it, and that's what I'm getting, is giving. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And if you've tried this hairstyle before, let me know. I like this hairstyle because I can just take out the bun, moisturize my hair, do all that stuff, and put it back on, and I'm good. Yeah. All right, thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.